What's up mga ka-Geeksters? Today, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng isang M.2 SSD for the PlayStation 5. We will be using the WD Black SN850 Gen 4 for this project. Ito ay highly recommended ni Mike Cerny, isa sa mga pinakamagagaling na game designers and consultants sa Sony. Nirecommend niya to because of its speed and reliability. So, let's get to it! But before we begin, it is highly recommended by Sony that we use a heatsink for our M.2 SSD. This is because sobrang nag-iinit ang SSD pag ginagamit siya. And pag nag-init ang SSD, ito ay nakaka-affect sa performance nito and sa mga games na naka-install dito. And because of this, I will be using the Worship Pro heatsink that I bought online. So let's continue with this project. So to start this project, all we need is the heatsink, which is the Worship Pro that I bought online. And if you buy this, it also includes the screwdriver and 7 screws. And the most important part, the thermal pads. Yan yung pinaka-importante, kaya huwag natin kalimutin yan. And the M.2 SSD WD SN850. First, let's unpack the WD Black SN850. There it is. I forgot to mention na 1TB pala po itong nakuha ko. Guys, you have to be careful when unpacking these things. Balita ko, very sensitive din mga SSDs. And this is it. That's the SSD. First, idikit natin ng isang thermal pad sa likod ng SSD. By the way, itong aking style ng paggawa nito. You can do it your own way, but for the sake of this video, I'm just showing how I do it. Then, ilagay natin sa base. Then, kunin natin yung isang thermal pad at ilagay natin sa likod ng pinaka-top portion ng heatsink. Make sure na pantay siya. And then, ilagay natin sa ibabaw ng pinaka-SSD. Just as so. And then, kunin natin yung mga screws. I-screw natin mabuti sa all sides ng heatsink. Make sure na mahigpit ito at maayos at pantay-pantay ang pagka-screw. Basta, take your time on doing this para hindi ka magkamali sa pagkabit nito later sa PS5. And there you go. Ito na po ang itsura niya. And ready na siyang ikabit sa ating PlayStation 5. First, we remove the side panel kung saan natin kakabit ang SSD. And then, we take a screwdriver and remove the screw from the plate. Set aside natin yung screw para hindi mawala. Then, we remove the plate like so, setting it aside, and then we remove the screw again, which will attach or fasten the SSD inside the PlayStation. And remind ko lang sa inyo na huwag nyo iwawala itong spacer kasi ito ang importanteng part sa pagkakabit ng SSD. Then, we take the SSD na ginawa natin, then insert it in a 45-degree angle Then once nakapit na natin ang SSD, we take again the screw and fasten it securely inside the PlayStation. Make sure na pantay yung pagkakapit mo ng screw. Then take the cover plate, put it back, and then screw it securely in place. Like so. Then after that, we attach again the side plate and we hook it back up to the TV. And once na hook up uli natin sa TV ang PlayStation 5, una natin makikita is na-detect na ang M.2 SSD sa PS5. And all we have to do is reformat the SSD. Mabilis lang to. Only takes a few seconds. Then ipapakita ang read speed ng SSD. Then you just follow the prompt on the TV. And that's it. Na-install na natin ang SSD sa PlayStation 5. And to verify it, just go to settings, then storage, then makikita mo ng SSD. Thanks for watching.